Hi there. So let's talk about the job market and is bioinformatics is a paying field or not. So today we are going to explore a important aspect of bioinformatics field, its job market and its potential for rewarding career. So let's have a look at the job market in bioinformatics. So the job market for bioinformatics professional is a robust and a growing market. With the exponential of biological data from genomics, proteomics, and other omics field, there is increasing demand of skills bioinformatics. For example, we have been collecting data from these fields. So now we are generating some kind of enough feeds and rewarding across the bioinformatics field. For example, we have collected 1000 samples in one day, and we have around 3 to 4 bioinformatics to analyze that. So when we are getting a more amount of data, so we need more bioinformatics to analyze the data. So there is increasing demand of skill, so we need increase in skilled bioinformatics. So that's what we need. So we need increase in bioinformatics skills. So exponential of data fuel demand, and the demand increase in skilled bioinformatics. So the demand is seen across various industries that include pharmaceutical, biotechnology, healthcare, and academia. What is the salary trend? So the job market influences the salary trends. So what we see, the salary trends here, there is competitive compensation. For example, in terms of salary, bioinformatics offer competitive compensation. According to the recent survey and report, the average salary of a bioinformatician, according to website called PayScale, the average salary is in the United States is 81,000 per year in 2024, and the salary range is from $56,000 to $121,000. So depending on the factors, for example, your location, experience, and education, the salary can be vary. And the entry level positions typically starts at a few thousand bucks. So the salary job market influences the salary trend, and then it defines demand in various industries. So what are the demands? So bioinformaticians are highly sought in pharmaceutical industries and biotechnologies company for drug discovery and development, and where they play a crucial role in the drug development. In healthcare, bioinformatics is used for personalized medicine and genetic counseling and disease diagnosis. Academic institutions also hire bioinformaticians for research and teaching roles. So you have seen in your university the professors that teach us bioinformatics, they have bioinformatics degree, and they are there because the demand of this field is very high right now. So in conclusion, bioinformatics is not only a rewarding field in terms of the impact it has on the society, but also offer promising career. So this all concludes, here we discussed all this, and this includes the job is very good. And as we continue our journey, we will explore more pathways and opportunities available in bioinformatics. We will be looking at the market analysis and things like that. So that is it for this lecture. And now we have a look at the job market. I will also be taking you to some indefined things like how to search for jobs, what are the jobs that are available right now, but they will be in the upcoming lectures. So thank you so much for taking this course lecture, and thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next one.